You listen to me. This deal goes down tonight, and I don't want any mistake.
Okay, boss, my boss. No problem. See you later.
Lisa, we need to meet at the bar, 7 o'clock tonight.
Okay, my Ching. No problem. I will be there. Thank you. Lisa, my child, now you're old. You must get a man to marry you.
There are no men these days, Granny. All of them are the same.
Legend, listen here. Go and see our puppy. Tell him we need a serious backup.
He is expecting me, not you.
Okay, my boss, I will do so. Look, officer, don't make things to be hard for you. We'll be able to pay back the 1-2 million? I don't think so.
Officer, remember that we have a deal. We own you. Do you forget that?
So I want you to listen to me. Tell your puppies to follow the instructions. Do you hear me, officer? I guess I'm clear,
This
officer.
is too much. Our youth is vanishing.
Do you want to lose your job, your wife and kids? I guess that is not an option.